Alright, so now we proceed with where we read last time, or where we got last time. This is where we read the last time. This is where we read how to find the length when at least 2 is what given, or we are given a what? We are given an angle. Okay, so we have the same question here. This is the question, and last time we solved it by the formula Pythagoras theorem. We solve it using what? Pythagoras theorem. So with the Pythagoras theorem, we learned that we what? Now this is what we are looking for, because we have been given what? The hypotenuse and what? And the adjacent. We say this is adjacent because the angle is sitting on this, and this is always the hypotenuse because it's the longest what? Distance. Now we use Pythagoras theorem, and the principle says that when you square this plus the square of this, it should be equal to this. So that's what we did. Always the shortest distances, or the two shortest distance, when you square and you add them, it is equal to the what? The longest distance. So that's what we've done over here. AB squared plus BC squared is equal to what? AC squared. Then this is AB. That's what we are looking for. We don't have AB, so we put what? AB squared here. BC was given, or is given as what? 4. So we do 4 squared because per the formula we need to square it. And AC was given as what? 8. So we square 8. Now we have AB squared. We have here, what I did is that, you see, when I was doing it over here, we're having 4. We squared it and we had what? 16. And here we squared this and we had what? 64. So I just brought this one to this side. So that's what I'm having over here. I sent this one to this side because this will give me what? This will give me 16, and this will give me what? 64. So I'm grouping like terms. So we are having an equation here. Now we are looking for AB, length AB, and AB is squared. So we take what? Root of both sides. That's what we did here. We take root of what? Both sides. Because, excuse me, because when you subtract this from this, you're gonna get what? 48. So we squared both sides and we had what? AB to be what? 6.9, which is approximately 7 units. Now with the 6.9, we confirmed it from the what? From the calculator. We point root of what? We point root of 48. Root of what? 48. Root of 48. And we had what? 6.9. So 6.9 is what? Is approximately 7 what? Units. So that's why I wrote what? 7 units. So it means we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the what? The length. Now we can also use the trigonometrical ratio, which is called which we say ka and what? And toi. We use, this is sine, this is cos, and this is tan. I hope you are all familiar with. So when we want to use sine, we're supposed to have what? O and H, which is opposite and what? Hypotenuse. When we want to use cos, we need to have what? A and H, which is what? Adjacent and hypotenuse. With tan, we need to have what? O and A, which is opposite and what? And adjacent. So are given an angle. That's what we will use for. We are not going to use theta because the angle theta has been given as what, or is given as 60 degrees. So if we want to use the trigonometrical ratio, let me do it over here. For the first one, what we do is we are looking for this side. So let me make this side as what, as x. I want to look for this side, and this is what, opposite, because the angle is facing. So you will take this angle, this side that you are looking for, and any of this. If you take this one, if you take this one, you're gonna get what, the same answer. So let's first take this one and this one. This one is called opposite because it is facing. So opposite and what, this is adjacent. So we have O